not every entrepreneur, not every founder have the foresight and the vision initially, early on, to think at scale or to think large. Life is very tough, bro. Life is very difficult for many. तेरी तो फिर भी ठीक है.
हाँ.
जबकि rather comparing it with so many different kinds of people, what I have learnt is always think 5 years ahead. I'll tell you one thing. If I had a good leader, a good manager to guide me at that time,
You would not have left.
I would not have left ever.
यार तू कितना कमाता है? कितना कमाता है? Dude, what I loved about your story, yaar, Bharat, was back in the day I used to use this website called Poster Gully. And last night I was talking to you and I said, yaar, apna history batana, give me an idea. And then you're like, I started Poster Gully. I'm like, dude, my brother has either purchased it or he purchased the poster or he's actually listed his artwork over there. And tab se lekar ab tak, this is your third company and you started Rage Coffee. Amazing, man. Like, I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you so much. I'm delighted to be here. The energy in your office and just what you're doing is so inspiring and I feel like मजा आने वाला भी. मजा आएगा बिल्कुल.
तो यार you're तो business brain, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. And I think you're like बहुत energy. I don't know if it's the caffeine or what it is.
Dopamine.
कुछ तो है. Or maybe it's just the high of running a amazing business like you have. I didn't even know. We'll jump to that, but I think it's not like you get coffee and just package it and sell it, right? You have an amazing Manesar में plant fridge. So we'll get to all of that.
Yeah.
But let's start with यार ये doer mindset कैसे आया? Just touch upon कि स्कूल में कॉलेज में did you think about money like कि business करूँगा कि क्या करूँगा मैं? क्या सोचते थे?
I come from a family of business people. मतलब मेरे आसपास सब धंधा चलाते हैं. कोई छोटा, कोई बड़ा, कोई बहुत बड़ा. And I remember for the longest time while I was growing up, I had heard a lot of stories of my grandfather. About him building a very successful large business and he minted money when he was, my Nane Papa, which was, who was basically, who left us very early. So, and I was very inspired by him. My mother used to tell me a lot of stories. And my Dadaji, my grandfather, they had come from, from Pakistan, before the partition, which was India. And then at the time of partition, they came to India with nothing. But there, they used to run a lot of businesses. They were in the crockery business. They were in other, agricultural commodity businesses and so on and so forth. And when they came here, they started setting up factories and थोड़ा कुछ शुरू किया, trading शुरू करी.
These are unbranded businesses, ना ये ऐसा कुछ?
यार उस time पे तो
ऐसा होता नहीं था.
But it was something that was always around me. And I had never known anybody, including my father, who would not be their own boss or would not do something of their own. But while I was growing up, I was doing all of these things. And मेरे साथ हुआ क्या डिफरेंटली जो मेरी फैमिली में मेरे को नहीं लगता किसी के साथ भी हुआ. आई वॉज वेरी ब्राइट एकेडमिकली. तो अब वो ब्राइट में पता क्यों था? इट डिडंट कम नेचुरली टू मी. आई वॉज सुपर कंपेरेटिव. अगर मेरे से किसी के 1 मार्क ज़्यादा आता था ना तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था. माई मॉम एज सच शी यूज्ड टू सॉब समटाइम्स कि यार भाई कुछ नहीं होता.
आज भी ऐसे ही हो?
I've improved. I've improved. At least I've definitely improved. उस टाइम पे it was very raw comparative spirit. तो I think so at that time maybe because marks numbers ठीक ठाक आते थे काफी. तो Dad, I remember, told me that I don't want you to join the business and I want you to look for a job or go and work somewhere for some time and so on and so forth. And I come from a middle class family. So ऐसा नहीं था कि businesses were large की बस.
नहीं, but help me understand this. Everyone is running a business, सब कर रहे हैं. मतलब there must be decent success. You won't be, you'll be upper middle class sort of, right? घर में गाड़ी तो होगी types, right?
हाँ तो upper middle class गाड़ी तो थी यार. Obviously my dad also made money, and we also spent money.
हाँ.
But यार savings mindset था जिंदगी भर घर में.
Oh, I'm surprised. I thought बहुत entrepreneurial mindset होगा.
Entrepreneurial mindset उस time पे यार इतना नहीं था. I think it was a means to an end.
Interesting.
And what we were taught was that the value of money was always there. For example, मेरे को अगर ऑप्शन मिलता था ना बस लेने का या गाड़ी में जाने का, मैं बस ही लेता था. अगर मुझे ऑप्शन मिलता था बस का और रिक्शा का, तो मैं रिक्शा लूंगा फॉर एग्जाम्पल. या मुझे चलने का मिलेगा तो मैं वॉक कर लूंगा. सो एंड बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो सॉ फेजेस यार. पता है एक फैमिली, बिजनेस फैमिली में ना वो फेजेस आते ही आते हैं, नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू, स्पेशली एज फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स.
Yeah.
It's never hunky dory, it's never great always. So there are phases, and we saw those phases as kids also, where there was a lot of financial stress in the family. The thing is that we were always taught that, at least in the family, what we were taught was by my parents was everything is for good and everything that happens, but you're in control of your destiny. Don't ever forget that. You're in control of where you can take your life, and show up every day, no matter what the situation is. Show up. So it builds character for sure. And I myself, yaar, matlab, with sports, when you start playing sports early on, and when you are logical and rational, it builds a very different muscle in your, this thing, because you'll lose one match, you'll lose matches. I hustled for many years initially to get into the football team because मेरा 36 का आंकड़ा था with the coach, and then we never got along. But he eventually had to take me in. And then when I went in, I stayed there. And I made sure that I was not the best player on the field for sure when I started out.
But the most persistent.
But I was the most persistent. I would always show up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I would always play for hours to be better at my game.
So business का यही तो है, right? Like you keep going at it, keep going at it, be a doer type, and then that's how you build something, right? So you said the same thing went on, and service class mentality नहीं था, job करने का mentality नहीं था. You wanted to start your own business.
Sir, I think वो clarity मुझे college जाके आया कि I wanted to start a business of my own. But 11th and 12th grade were fantastic for me because I decided there I will stick to my academics, and I will make sure that I'll do good here, and on the side I'll play for fun and I'll do things for fun, but मैंने 4 जगह मुंह मारना छोड़ दिया था. तो my goal was कि I'm the head boy of my school, I want to do something that the school remembers me for. So I changed the school uniform.
Can you do that?
It was one of the most beautiful experiences of my life, which gave me everything in terms of character, in terms of the platform. In Christian missionary schools, you get people from all walks of life, people who are coming in cycles with their family, and people who are coming in the best cars, and you have such a good mix of, and the lens that you get, I don't even know today if it exists, but at that time, the lens that I got was, life is very tough, bro. Life is very difficult for many. तेरी तो फिर भी ठीक है. जबकि rather comparing it with so many different kinds of people, what I always saw was I was playing football with people who were coming from very, very humble backgrounds. And I should love it. And we were the best of friends. And बहुत सीखने को मिला वहाँ से about money, the value of money. And I was grown to be thinking about पैसा बनता है सेव करके. तो वो मसल बहुत जल्दी बन गई थी कि बचत बहुत ज़रूरी है. It was only in the last decade when I started building businesses and when I made mistakes of saving versus investing is when I actually realized yaar ki, and in the last 5 years more, about how money should be utilized to make more money, rather than saving money, which we'll talk about for sure. तो यार ये था. एंड देन ना साइंस में इंटरेस्ट था, बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. इंजीनियरिंग में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, पता ही नहीं था. देयर वाज नो रोल मॉडल दैट आई हैड. हु इज एन इंजीनियर? आई never knew.
But you didn't look up to a businessman also.
I looked.
A businesswoman.
Yeah. What I used to do, I remember, was I used to draw a lot of logos of my company. मेरी हर बुक के पीछे ना मेरी कंपनी के लोगो
क्या
होते
नाम
थे.
थे? याद है?
Initials of my family's name. मतलब.
What did it sound like?
So actually, the name of the parent company of Rage Coffee is the initials of my family's names.
What is it called?
It's called Swamabhan Commerce Private Limited. SW is my mother's name.
Oh man.
MA is my father's name. BH is my name, and AN is my wife's name.
इंटरेस्टिंग, ओह वेरी नाइस. उसका लोगो बनाया था क्या? नहीं.
बहुत लोगों से बनाता था मैं. गंदे गंदे लोगो था. टेरिबल एट
तो
ड्राइंग.
थोड़ा विजुअल एस्पेक्ट तो था, बिकॉज आई कैन सी पैकेजिंग एंड ऑल लाइक में है.
यार वो इतना नहीं था उस टाइम पे. फॉर श्योर आई वाज अ वेरी टेरिबल आर्टिस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ, बिकॉज मैं लिखता था, राइटिंग किसी को समझ नहीं आती थी, तो मेरा हाथ तेज 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 यू नो स्क्रिबल कर दिया. तो इट वाज नॉट दैट. आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट द fascination with building something which people remember me for, which people talk about, because the stories I heard were always of people who had built something, who had created something. Even after they left, in my family, they were talked for years. You know,
कि उन्होंने ये
कि
बनाया
उन्होंने
था.
ये बनाया था और ये इन्होंने इतना पैसा बनाया था और ऐसे बनाया था और ये ऐसे बर्बाद किया था.
फिर जीरो हो गए.
If you're enjoying the podcast so far, you love the 2-day experience. It's pretty simple. I think the internet allows and is an equalizing force for adult education. If you want to learn about business and finance, there is no place to do it effectively. So, we have a free program that you can apply for that happens every single weekend. You can learn business skills, trading skills, even personal finance and investing. The only thing is, not everyone gets in. We think only the gritty people should get in. That's why only 30% are allowed to attend these sessions. And these sessions are live, done in a community with proof of work. No lectures, I promise. You will actually build something to learn any of these skills. So if you find it interesting, click on the link in the description. I hope to see you this weekend. Now, on to the podcast.
Tell me this, I'm jumping a little bit,
Yeah.
but now that you're saying this, what was your reaction? Do you remember the first person who made a purchase on your first business? You tell us the first business.
I remember.
And did you talk to that person?
Oh my God, I remember that.
नहीं भूले हो?
मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा वो.
कौन था? बिजनेस क्या था?
Yeah, first real business I'll tell you, because I also fiddled a lot in college and
Sure,
I did
sure,
a lot
sure.
of things. But I'll tell you the first real business where I actually was invested and saying यार कि अगर ये नहीं होता तो I will be hurt.
हाँ.
कि I was emotionally also vested in that.
Love it.
It was Poster Gully. And Poster Gully की जो story थी ना, वो phase ना बहुत ही, it was very challenging and tough. The biggest delta that happened in my life at that time was that my girlfriend, now my wife, she moved to the US for her work. And I was like, yaar, this is, matlab, I've been defeated. You know, I actually have nothing to do. And she got a consulting job right out of college. And so that happened. And then I was like, yaar, the only way I can actually match up to her level is by actually doing something of my own. There is no other way I see. And I had no interest absolutely zilch interest in taking up any further studies, any
But
education.
क्या
further.
बनाना है वो clear नहीं था.
वो clear नहीं था, but ये था कि I will do something that I'm passionate about, and I was very passionate about artwork, and I used to love paintings and art in my home, and posters was something that was very interesting to me. So, and then I took a very quick, like a show of hands with my friends. कि यार, if we are able to give you posters, will you want to buy them? And this is almost more than a decade back.
Crazy dude. हाँ.
And category was not existent online.
But online लोग purchase भी नहीं करते थे यार
Purchase कौन
उतना.
करेगा? सबसे
हाँ.
बड़ी बात ये.
Poster.
Right.
Wall hanging.
Wall hangings, right? And stationery products.
And ये touch and feel product है यार. It's not even like digital delivery.
Yeah. In my community, तो वहाँ से validation शुरू हुई थी थोड़ी सी, that there were people who will buy it. And I was a one-man show. I, in fact, had no money to do anything. So I took some money from my dad to open an account. I took my sister's credit card. She was working at American Express at that time, and she had an extra credit card on her. So I maxed out her credit card.
This was your startup capital.
This was my startup capital.
Love it, man.
The Gully was not more than 50,000-60,000 rupees.
And you did a few crores a year after that?
We did, the first year we did 1 crore.
Oh, man.
First year we did 1 crore.
And one-man army. There was no one else after that.
हाँ, there were 1 or 2 helpers that I had.
But यार पैसे छापा फिर तो first year यार. पैसे अच्छा हाँ.
पैसा छापा, बहुत छापा. पहले 4 साल पोस्टर गली में made tons of money.
Max कितना हुआ था? Top क्या था revenue?
Top was annually we did about 11 to 12 crores.
Crazy, dude.
50 people team max, वो भी peak पे बता रहा हूँ
And ये profitable था तब भी. Peak पे भी profitable था.
heavy net margins, 50% plus net margins.
Amazing, dude.
And it was a proprietary for the first 2 years, and then we converted into a private limited company. तो थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ खर्चे हुए थे, you know, getting the books and all maintained and stuff like that.
Compliance बढ़ जाता है.
Compliance बढ़ जाता है. And it was pure raw hustle, यार. My first customer was my junior from college.
Love it.
And she wanted a Godfather poster. I remember.
अच्छा, she requested a
She
specific-
requested before I launched that, hey, I need Marlon Brando's Godfather poster, and I need it to be big, like a 24 into 36. यार पता है, अगर मैं I look back, जो भी लोग बोलते हैं ना स्टार्टअप, तो ज्ञान था नहीं उस टाइम पे, ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट एंड यू नो customer acquisition cost and none of this was made any sense to me.
Right.
But if you really look at it, it had all of those check boxes. Demand, supply का जो वो है. There was a lot of demand, but the supply wasn't there. Supply के लिए लोगों को जाना पड़ता था पालिका बाजार या import. अब कभी आ जाएगा कोई बाहर से तो ले आएगा.
हाँ.
I started that category in India, in fact. And validation कहाँ थी? The first, I think I started in 6 months के बाद एक my friend from BITS Pilani, he called me, and he actually not just called me, he was in college at that time, and he was organizing the Conquest, which is a B-plan competition, which is very popular
अच्छा.
for college kids as an entry point to entrepreneurship.
Okay.
मेरे को उसने बोला आने के लिए, मेरे को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. आई एम डूइंग फाइन हियर, एंड व्हाई शुड आई एंटर बी प्लान कॉम्पिटिशन एनीवे?
I'm running a business.
I'm running a business and I had no time.
हाँ.
He said, no, you should come. So I went to Pilani. And Pilani नहीं गए थे हम, यहाँ पे था. In fact, they had a demo day in Delhi, Lodi.
अच्छा.
Lodi में था. So we became runners up in that, and so many VCs were there. Some of the very prominent VCs were sitting in that room.
Like who?
Yeah, there was Sandeep Singhal from Nexus, and there was, I remember I exchanged email with Sandeep right after that, this thing. There were many VCs who have now come and gone. But तो मैं जब pitch किया उसके बाद somebody came to me saying, Bharat, you should build a customization platform. And somebody told me, Bharat, there's a lot of demand for printing. You know, getting into a printing business. Somebody told me, no, you should stick to what you're doing, but build a platform, tech platform on top of it. So that day changed everything, because I then quit my job. I was still working
In the
there,
startup.
In the startup, and then I started doing something else. उसके बाद and then we raised some seed money जो कभी आया नहीं. वो कंपनी बीच में बंद हो गई.
ये बड़ा सही स्टोरी है.
एक्सेलरेटर ही बंद हो गया बीच में.
Deaccelerator.
वो मेरे को पहली मीटिंग में टर्म शीट दे दी. और टर्म शीट में क्या लिखा है? 7% 5 लाख रुपए के लिए.
Oh wow, तुमने कहा बस हो गया भाई.
मैंने कहा छोड़ो यार, प्रिंटर है, प्रिंटर दे दो, वो चाहिए सबसे पहले मुझे. प्रिंटर लगी पड़ी है कार्ट्रिज.
दीदी का क्रेडिट कार्ड वापस देना है.
he gave me a printer. ऐसा नहीं, तो बहुत अच्छा बंदा है. एक प्रिंटर दे दिया मेरे को यार उठा के. सामने पड़ा था, प्रिंटर दे दिया मुझे उठा के. कहता I'll buy another one, you take this one home.
बंद हो. इसी एटीट्यूड की वजह से एक्सेलरेटर बंद हुआ है इसका.
बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज. तो मैं फिर उसके बाद लग गया यार. मैंने कहा यार चलो, दिस इज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई हैव मेंटर्स नाउ, पीपल हु आर विलिंग टू गाइड मी. दे सी समथिंग दैट आई कांट सी. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियली पुट माय हेड डाउन और बस started running with my blinders on. So then we also started to make money. I went in full time here. We started to see money. We started to see a lot of. हुआ क्या है उस टाइम पे? We converted from a trading platform to democratizing the entire category for
आ जाओ
anybody.
अपलोड करो. आ जाओ. You're an artist. Artist is a customer.
Artist is one side.
One side of the platform बन गया.
Platform बन गया. And then the layer that we put in between was a just-in-time manufacturing automation layer. तो पूरा कोई आएगा, artwork डालेगा, and we will then do a direct-to-consumer model था, जो D2C.
Isn't this a printing business?
Yeah, it was not a printing business. It is a business it is an acquisition business. It's a community business.
Because
that we
supply
built.
demand भी मैच हो रहा है. वो भी अलग engine है.
Supply demand ऐसे कि यार, it is not a pure listing marketplace. It's not like it's not like a, you know, shadi.com, so to speak. Or it's not like a 99 acres or so. So हुआ क्या उसमें, we were controlling the, अगर डिमांड नहीं है तो सप्लाई कुछ भी कर लोगे आप, पॉइंट नहीं, तो डिमांड वहाँ बिल्ड हो रही थी, और टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट द कंज्यूमर्स वर ऑलरेडी वांटिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो वी देन एक्सपैंडेड सम ऑफ द कैटेगरीज. कई कैटेगरीज में मार्जिन्स बहुत अच्छे मिले हमें, बट यूर ऑलवेज अ स्मॉल टीम एंड कंप्लीटली एसेट लाइट बिजनेस था. तो हमने फिर वो किया, एंड वी ऑल्सो देन partnered with the manufacturing guys. We never put in, for the longest time, we never put in manufacturing ourselves. So we partnered with the apparel printing guys, we partnered with printers, we partnered with the stationery guys, we partnered with mobile case manufacturers or
It's interesting that
importers.
every stakeholder here actually made money. The designer made money. Everyone got what they wanted.
Yeah, we built from zero. We built largest community of designers in the country, which were monetized. Which was
क्या स्केल था
monetized.
इसमें, कितने यूजर्स थे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट?
यार सो हमने पूरा बिजनेस बिल्ड किया था कॉलेजेस से. सो आवर हुक वाज द कैंपस एम्बेसडर प्रोग्राम दैट आई रन.
आज भी लोग करते हो तो.
आज भी करते हैं. उस टाइम पे वी वेंट एंड वी पार्टनर्ड विद एवरी. यस्टरडे नाइट आई मेट समबडी, वो कंज्यूमर था पोस्टर गली का, और उसने मुझे बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बताई कि हम ना सारे फेस्ट में वी वर डूइंग 500 फेस्ट इन वन सिंगल ईयर. जिसमें हम क्या करते थे, व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू इज वी हैड these campus reps
हाँ ठीक है.
and used to distribute free posters. और पोस्टर के पीछे postergill.com, buy more, simple.
फिर तो खर्चा है, तो बहुत खर्चा है.
बिल्कुल खर्चा नहीं था ना.
नहीं 500 फेस्ट हो रहे हैं.
It was very very cheap because reps को तो internship certificate मिलता
Correct.
था, और they made a cut
करेक्ट.
on their on the sales that their coupon code was able to generate. तो खर्चा तो बिल्कुल नहीं था ना, बिकॉज सारा आप स्पॉन्सरशिप थोड़ा, हम तो काइंड में दे रहे थे उन्हें सब. सो इट वाज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ, एंड वी आल्सो इन्वेस्टेड इन सम ऑफ द, वी आल्सो पेड मनी, एंड व्हेन द प्रोग्राम रियली वर्कड फॉर अस,
देन यू डबल डाउन.
we doubled down and we realized, so for some fests which were very large, like the IIT fest
Mood Indigo.
and the Moodai ho gaya tha, Antragni tha, it was word of mouth that was driving it, but predominantly the business was built on social media, organic social media, Facebook groups, Facebook in general, because that time the Facebook didn't limit the reach. If you had a meme to share, or if you
And you had a
something-
follower, वो दिखता था सबको.
वो सबको दिखता
yes,
था.
Yes.
तो हमने सारा बिजनेस उस पे बनाया, एंड ईमेल मार्केटिंग, व्हेन ईमेल्स यूज्ड टू लैंड इन योर इनबॉक्स.
You told me.
सो वी क्रिएटेड, हमने 4-5 चीजें करी, और वो बहुत सही करी, और वो रिपीटेडली करी.
इसका लेसन बताओ ना, वन लाइन लेसन क्या होगा इसमें? व्हेन आई हैव स्टार्टेड अ न्यू बिजनेस, आई एम वन मैन शो बिकॉज पीपल आर वाचिंग दिस,
Yeah.
व्हाट शुड आई डू टू गेट माय, हम पीएमएफ बोल रहे हैं, कैक बोले, जो बोल रहे हैं, मैं पहले 10 सेल कैसे लाऊं?
यार 10 सेल लाना पहले, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली,
ठीक है,
सबसे वो
चलो 50 सेल.
पहले 50, 100, 500 सेल के लिए आई थिंक यू रियली नीड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क बिफोर स्टार्टिंग समथिंग. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वो चीज़ है कि आप, यू कैन नॉट स्टार्ट समथिंग एंड से, हे यू नो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी सेल, व्हाई नॉट.
मन नहीं कर रहा है.
हाँ वो कंज्यूमर 4 रीजन दे देगा आपको. तो यू शुड बी फर्स्ट डू अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क, बट वन लाइन इज, वंस यू हैव रियलाइज समथिंग इज सेलिंग and she is your actual customer, real customer, and she is willing to pay X amount of money for that product or service, do 2 or 3 things and do them right every day of your life. Don't try to do too many things at once. In some cases they do work, but in most cases they don't work initially.
इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम है भरत, मैं बताता हूँ क्या है. Back then you did not have the distraction of the internet. Right now this person who's watching is distracted by some more recommendations on the right, or he's not even on this tab right now. So please switch back to the tab. The problem is this. Once I've identified and done my first 10 sales, I'm thinking इसको 100 crore की company बनानी है. I think this is a huge mistake. I want your answer for this. The reason is when you think 100 crores or some big number, you are thinking कि मैं mass को कैसे करूँगा, and therefore you lose the persona of the user you're trying to build for. So, there's 2 options. Should he try to build for that 100 crore business? अभी इसके 10-50 सेल ही हुए हैं. Or should he just take 10 of his existing users, write down what they want and just build for those 10 guys? बाकी के लोग आ जाएंगे. Which is easier and which is the right way to do this? How should I think मुझे बनाना किसके लिए है? Should I think for 100,000 users? Or should I think for just these 10 guys who've already bought it? I'll just build it for them.
The answer to this is philosophical. And not every entrepreneur, not every founder have the foresight and the vision initially, early on, to think at scale or to think large. So what I have learned is always think 5 years ahead, but do these small things every day which will please your 5 customers. So, for example, when I worked on early on, when I started Rage, but I was coming with a lot of learnings, mistakes, right things, what not to do. So I'm maybe not the best person to tell you this from a Rage context or Rage point of view. But every day, my goal is to tell 5 new people about Rage, even today. But I don't lose sight of the 5 million customers that we have. I'm still building for them also.
But don't forget these 5.
Don't forget with these 5 new customers. Like today I met you, I was like, ye kar rahe. If you tell me something, for example, I met somebody in your office who said, मैंने उसको बोला कि यार नया जार आ गया, and he showed me a नया जार भी है. Immediately in my mind, he is a top customer for me.
Yes.
And if I had not done that, I would have not felt about him the way I did, which was that he's my super customer.
Yes.
So you cannot lose sight of today and small wins and small things and things that don't scale. He might tell 5 more people कि यार भरत ने मिला था और ये मुझसे सवाल किया.
And he will.
He will. which is also true. And it's not easy.
Yes.
It is probably one of the difficult things to do as an entrepreneur.
Right.
But you cannot build a large, resilient, loved business
Without doing
this. And it is not easy. When I started Poster Gully, I had no idea.
Ah.
And I still made money.
Yes.
And I still did really well.
Yes.
The moment I started thinking about 5 years hence, 10 years hence, I said, I don't want to do it anymore. Because I have plans which are much larger, much bigger than that. So not everybody is wise. Not everybody has the foresight. But give it time. Patience will take you somewhere. Everybody might have told you, and everybody would have told all of you guys that it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. For me, it's a sprint on some days, it's a marathon on other days. And once you're running this, you will realize that in a marathon also, there are times when you sprint and there are times when you take a break and there are times when you actually walk. Vision alignment के बिना बड़ी कंपनी नहीं बन सकती. छोटा मोटा कुछ हो सकता है for sure. This is what my learning is.
नहीं, I love this. I think especially when you're starting out ना, अगर तुमने बैठ के वो McKinsey audit कर लिया ना कि what are my chances, industry क्या बड़ा है, time क्या है भैया, क्या होगा, अरे industry में कोई क्या नहीं solve, कोई start ही नहीं करेगा. You need some level of foolishness, not some level, a large level of foolishness to start because it is not logical. Every founder is on a pay cut perennially, and there is a big chance that after 5 years also you're not going to get something great. If it does, वैसे you will not last 5 years, but if you do, then things could change. Let's go back to Poster Gully. I'm painting this picture of you. Were you in long hair back then? No.
No.
ठीक है, अभी set
I
हो
used
गया.
to grow long beard, but
Long beard, ठीक है,
ताकि लोग मेरे को seriously लें.
ठीक है, raging beard. And I am guessing order आ रहा है, you're looking at it, you're freaking obsessed. Foolishness and obsession. I think this is, you're obsessed with it, you're seeing orders. I'm guessing you're also packing on your own.
Yes, I
You're
was.
shipping, you're making sure पहुंचा कि नहीं. You're probably doing customer service as well. अब ये तो बहुत मजा आया होगा करने में. But I bet after a few years कुछ burnout हुआ होगा. तो what did you learn? Burnout हुआ नहीं हुआ? What did you learn from this?
Yaar, my mom used to help me pick up the tubes every month. There was a delivery of tubes that used to come. So those tubes used to come in the morning, early morning, 5:36. And वो एक छोटी सी गाड़ी आती थी, ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम नहीं था. My mom used to, before me waking up, she used to go नीचे, and we were on the 3rd floor. So she used to go in the morning, pick those tubes up, and she used to go put it there, क्योंकि एक साथ नहीं कर सकते थे. She used to take like 6-7 rounds. And she used to do it, and when I woke up, and then I used to start, you putting them in some other room. एक ऊपर room था और छोटा सा, वहाँ डाल दिया. तो यार hustle थी, mad hustle थी, but one incident changed a lot of things for me because हुआ क्या, 1-1.5 साल तो run किया बहुत, because see, I was making money, I was blinded. And as a 21, 22-year-old, when you've created something that's working and your identity becomes, relevant to that particular product and people start recognizing you for it. I definitely had no time for friends or family, so I lost out on a lot of interesting time with my friends and family. But one thing that changed was there was one shipment that had to be dispatched like every day. वो पिकअप करने आते थे लॉजिस्टिक्स वाले. Aramex था उस टाइम पे. एंड आई वॉज गेटिंग लेट एंड एक कुछ ग्लास बॉटल्स पड़ी हुई थी साइड पे ना. उस कटिंग द ट्यूब्स को काटना पड़ता था नाइफ से. उसमें रोल करते थे.
अच्छा.
तो आई मिस्टेकनली कट माई हैंड और वो ग्लास बॉटल पे टूट गया और मेरे हाथ में लग गया कांच. मैं नीचे आया एंड आई फेंटेड. आई ब्लीड हुआ.
Exhaustion था क्या था ये?
यार I started bleeding and I think it was just exhaustion.
ठीक है, हाँ, ठीक
It was exhaustion और कुछ था. And I fainted and it was possibly stress. It was possibly a lot of bleeding that happened. It was a very deep cut. मतलब वो उसके बाद सब कुछ हुआ था तामझाम उसका. But I fainted for like 30 seconds. पानी डाला मॉम ने फेस पे and I woke up. My sister was there at that time. And I woke up and my mom told me one thing, Bharat, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Hire people. You will not be able to work like this.
माँ ने सही चीज बोला.
Go and hire people. And that's when I realized, yaar, my mindset has become very, entrepreneur mindset नहीं है वो. वो धंधे वाला ट्रेडर माइंडसेट है या माइंडसेट सही नहीं है वो.
करेक्ट.
माइंडसेट
शेयरिंग माइंडसेट नहीं है ना. फिर वो लगता है यार किसी को सैलरी देनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ.
थोड़ा मेरे पास जो पैसा आना था वो चला जाएगा.
Right.
बट एन एंटरप्रेन्योर पीपल थिंक दे डू इट फॉर मनी. डूड, you have to share
Yeah.
everything you do, right from responsibility to money. Then you started building a team.
And this was long back, and by the grace of God, by the virtue of starting up so early in my life, I was very fortunate to get to know things which people take a lifetime to know.
Yeah, agreed.
तो जब ये सीखा समझा यार कि नहीं, this is not how it's going to work. If I need to scale the business, I need to hire the right people. And this was still the first year of the business, yaar. So we were
कुछ भी नहीं है.
कुछ नहीं था.
कुछ नहीं था. एक साल कुछ भी नहीं होता.
And there was nothing to lose even at that time for me.
Right.
And that's when I thought, ki nahi, let me just build for a long time and get to somewhere where I am not the only one who's where the buck stops. I don't want to be the person where the buck stops. So उसके बाद टीम बनाई. Exhaustion हुआ था, burnout हुआ था, but even then 4-5 years 11 से लेके 15 तक.
But decentralized तो नहीं होगा यार, पक्का हो ही नहीं सकता.
हो गया था काफी.
Really?
काफी हद तक हो गया था. But obviously without me, not all pieces of the puzzle were.
The buck would stop at you at the major decisions, obviously.
Major decisions. Yeah, we were 20-25 people. It was nothing.
Turn your chair
even
around
after
and-
that.
हाँ.
Even after that, we were never a lot of people with that business. So, and दिमाग क्या था यार? जो marketing, it was a marketing business at the end of the day.
Correct.
Procurement था, operations था, and I was very fortunate again to hire some people who are still with me.
Still with you?
Still with me in my operations team.
Really?
They यार 8-10 लोग हैं.
Yeah, they career grew
Their
only.
career grew. People who came at 7,000 making 1,50,000 today.
Amazing.
People who would, if it was not for us and our relationship, they would never have been able to find their true calling. They might have seen that somewhere else.
But we had the privilege of being on this side of the table, and like that's amazing, right?
So burnout हुआ था, but इतना नहीं हुआ था. But I also started traveling at that time. I started taking annual breaks. 10-15 दिन निकल जाता था मैं कि यार whatever happens, and I started doing one thing. मैं क्या करता था उस टाइम पे? I learned one thing, which was my big discovery in life. Let people make mistakes. Do not micromanage. Let them make those mistakes and live with it. And some of them will become better, and some of them will elevate their own experiences and their own abilities. And if you can let people do that, you can create magic, and those people will always remember you, and in many cases they will not leave you.
देखो ये क्वांटिटेटिव वे में बोला था, द डे यू आर ओके विद 70%, उस दिन ना यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर वे टू बिल्ड अ बिजनेस, बिकॉज उस दिन से बट गिव देम फीडबैक व्हाई इट्स 70.
Correct.
बस उसके बाद छोड़ दो. The day you can do that and you let some fires burn, that day you will not have anxiety anymore, and you can probably build a business which is not centralized.
That's what I did. And I was 22, 23 at that time. I learned this big thing that get yourself out, set the larger picture, build an agenda, and let people make mistakes. When they make mistakes, they will move. Speed is important, no doubt. Let them make mistakes. और opportunity देते रहो. For example, the guy who was doing order management, उसको dispatches में डाल के देखो. और जो लॉजिस्टिक्स का बंदा है उसको ऑपरेशंस में इन्वॉल्व करके देखो, प्रोक्योरमेंट में इन्वॉल्व करके देखो, एंड सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. और चर्न भी होता है इसमें. बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके. प्रॉब्ली नॉट द राइट प्लेस, नॉट द राइट पीपल टू वर्क विद. सो दैट वाज अ ग्रेट जर्नी बिकॉज समझ आ गया यार कि परफेक्शन डजंट एग्जिस्ट. परफेक्शन के पीछे भागना नहीं है. जैसे मेरे दिमाग में है वैसा 100% नहीं हो सकता. Live with it, but I also had a epiphany later in life while starting Rage, which was that there are some things that I need to control, that I cannot let go of. सब चीजें outsource नहीं हो सकती,
correct,
सब चीजें delegate नहीं हो सकती. There are some things that I need to be completely be in control of, and for lack of a better word, anal about it.
And those things will be very important to the business or yourself personally. कि यार, I think the design matters, or I think the quality or the flavor matters, or certain things that you really care about. कि ये तो मैंने outsource करूँगा बेटा. तू में Allah, we will all discuss. ये नहीं hurriedly होगा. And that is good. I think those entrepreneurs which do not allow, they have that founder filter कि they have to pass my test and you're okay about it. वहीं से quality बनती है. I mean, I hate saying this example, but Steve was anal about design, right? तो I think वो culture ही वैसा बन गया. तो I think everyone has this thing.
Yeah.
कि यार ये नहीं होना चाहिए. I started teaching in 2014. And उसके बाद I never stopped. I think even today I'm a teacher only pretending to be a CEO. I say this in the office. तो यहाँ पे टीचिंग क्वालिटी हम लाइक यार टीचिंग बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. हाउ कैन यू आउटसोर्स दैट? हाउ कैन एन प्लेटफॉर्म वेदर ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन हैव टीचर्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड? यार वो तो इंटरनली होगा, वो तो आपका मेन चीज नहीं है. तो आई थिंक फॉर यू इट इज फ्लेवर.
It is the product for sure.
Right.
That is something that I'm completely in control of at all times. It is the product. It is definitely the design and the packaging part of the products that we do. It is also a lot to do with the culture of the company. I cannot take somebody, destroying or hurting the culture of my company.
अरे कभी कभी वन पर्सन मूड खराब, हैव यू सीन दैट? मूड खराब कर रहा है सबका,
हमारे साथ
बैड एप्पल कर रहा है.
हमारे साथ होता है, सबके साथ होता है.
सोल्यूशन क्या है उसका? छोटी सी टीम है, वन पर्सन बैड एप्पल है, सोल्यूशन क्या है उसका?
Yes, solution ये है कि communicate, talk to those people. If there are feelings that you have, ensure that on the floor, some people who you can trust have the power and have the authority to go and speak to these people. If there are if there are people who are doing that, identification is crucial here at the right time.
Why?
The why. And that's the only bit you can do.
Correct.
The other part is you will also see a lot of such people not contributing in the right way. They will slack sometimes, or they'll not be able to add value to the business. And it's not fair. It's not personal. It's never personal.
Correct.
It's for me, it's about my people. My people, people who are putting in their hours, who are giving so much to the company, because nothing is bigger than the company. Not me. Nobody ever is bigger than the company.
Correct.
The company has to have every troop member invested in it equally. Yes, the outputs might differ. Because it depends a lot on the skills.
Very nice. बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के कि सबका स्किन इन द गेम सेम है, लेकिन आउटपुट अलग होगा.
आउटपुट अलग हो सकता है. Outcome is a function of many things. It's a function of what the company is able to provide you, what work stream are you in, what contribution, what your experience is.
External भी होते हैं. Sometimes it's conducive for a certain thing.
So यार यही है, this is something that I've believed in.
No, I love it. I think culture is something we are responsible for. सच्ची बताओ ना, मेरे को culture का word नहीं समझ आता था कि culture क्यों बोलते हैं when we initially started कि company culture I don't know what it means. पहले was maybe it's going out to play cricket. Maybe it is कि हम लोग चाय पीते हैं शाम को. And I couldn't understand. Then what happened is bad apples started coming, or mostly it's always the founder's fault, right? It's a hiring process issue.
Yeah.
It's a training issue, all of those things. And because of that, we had these issues. So you run 250 member team. So I'm posing this question to you.
On payroll, contractual or separate?
अच्छा, contractual और भी है फिर. But ठीक है, I think the culture is more for these people a little more, right?
For sure.
है ना?
For sure.
है ना? And then corporate में they're like maybe little lesser, they're
Yeah.
more closer to you.
Yeah.
So as I was saying, people started coming in, then we started identifying यार जो लोग ऐसे बिहेव करते हैं ना वो लोग बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हैं कंपनी में. जो लोग ऐसे बिहेव करते हैं ना वो सही नहीं है, because we don't agree with it ना, बिजनेस के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. तो we started documenting this.
Yeah.
कि this is the doer culture in the office. If you do this, you will succeed. If you do this, you should not. Then we realized it's a state of mind. It's how you behave, and it's how you think that what culture means and how you'll succeed. Netflix का एक, have you seen it? They have a culture deck. How do you define culture? अभी मान लो 100 लोग आ जाएंगे नए ऑफिस में. You have to, I think your company is going to grow another 100x, मान लो. You might add say 50 more people or 100 more people to the team. How do you make sure that culture comes down? Don't say कि your existing employees will do that. और क्या तरीका है? और क्या तरीका है?
That's the foolproof way method, but there is also challenges there at all
Correct,
times.
correct, हाँ.
And no doubt, culture flows from top to down. It can never flow from नीचे से ऊपर. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, घर में बच्चा को आप ज्ञान पेलते रहो.
हाँ.
बच्चे ने जो देखना है सीखना वही है. Similarly with people who come in also, जितना ज्ञान वॉल पे जितनी राइटिंग लगानी है लगा लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. What people see around them is what they will absorb and eventually want to be or not be. So मेरे लिए कल्चर कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करता मैं. I am actually somebody who likes to uncomplicate everything. Simple stuff. When somebody tries to complicate too much, ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, मेरे से दिमाग खराब हो जाता है मेरा. It is something that I don't know, but it's something that happens with me in some interviews. इतना buzzword. Also, भाई इतना complicate करोगे तो if you cannot explain something to someone in simple plain English
आपको खुद
और
नहीं
हिंदी,
समझ आ रहा है. हाँ.
आपको खुद नहीं पता आप क्या बोल रहे हो.
हाँ.
सिंपल प्लेन इंग्लिश हिंदी में आपको बात समझा देनी चाहिए. तो सबसे पहला रिक्विजिट ये है, बी ऑनेस्ट ऑथेंटिक. जो भी हो, डजंट मैटर वेयर यू कम फ्रॉम. इट नेवर मैटर्स टू समबडी लाइक मी, एंड आई नो मेनी पीपल. इट मैटर्स वेयर यू वांट टू गो. एंड सबसे पहला स्टेप वो है, if you pass that litmus test, because I spend sometimes, for people who want to work with me directly, I spend sometimes months, 6 months से लेके, and I have done hiring where I've spent months talking to those people. I will call them. I definitely get them on my WhatsApp. So कभी टाइम मिला, कुछ पूछ लिया, एडवाइस ले ली, माइंडसेट समझ लिया. डिसिप्लिन, डिलिजेंस, आर्टिकुलेशन, पंक्चुअलिटी, ये सब बज़वर्ड्स हैं. अल्टीमेटली you have to understand who the person is truly. When they entered the system, and if they are important piece of the puzzle, part of the puzzle, I want 3 things, which are the only things that are paramount to me. Number 1 is speed. Speed is crucial here. Make mistakes, fall, do whatever wrong you can do, no issues. Number 1 is speed. Number 2 is autonomous behavior. Matlab,
Self-motivated.
spoon feeding is not something that nobody has the time to do. If we were to spoon feed, we should have been double the people already. नहीं है हम. So you have to be a self starter of sorts. मतलब इनिशिएटिव खुद से लेना पड़ेगा. अगर लर्न भी करना है आपको, मेरे पास आओ कि मुझे लर्न करना है. नहीं तो बहुत वीडियोज हैं ऑनलाइन, वो देखो. You should have the nature to learn something. So contribution should be there in that sense. Input should be there. Number 3 is, which is completely non-negotiable, is ethics. Data privacy, confidentiality of data that we have of our customers, of the products that we're building, and so on and so forth. Security and sharing of information within departments, because we have sales. which is a different culture. They have operations, which has a slightly different culture. They have the corporate team, and all of them actually communicate regularly every
Oh,
day.
it's crazy. And अलग दुनिया है सबकी.
सबकी अलग दुनिया है.
सबको लगता है वो सबसे important है.
सबको लगता है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है और नहीं भी, वो तो कल्चर है कंपनी का. अगेन कोई भी ये नहीं बोल सकता कि आई एम मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन द अदर. इट इज completely mindless to say that. So yeah, those are the three things. Ethics and privacy and confidentiality is completely non-negotiable to me. And definitely number one is speed and ability or the desire to learn. बाकी कुछ नहीं है.
ठीक है, थोड़ा रेज की तरफ चलते हैं अभी. I know there was a company in between.
Yeah. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम था लाइफ का मेरी.
वो वाला part.
सबसे टाइम इम्पोर्टेंट था. It the entire playbook that I had at that time, that experience distorted everything for me. Because the biggest thing I learned there in that business was that you have to be honest to yourself first before you go out and create something for others.
Because after you sold Poster Gully, you started a second company.
Without a break.
Without a
Did
break.
not take any break. So I was, as it is, running
Hustle चल रहा है.
with blinders for 5 years. Then another mistake I made there was raised seed money before having something in hand. Something actually that I knew that I wanted to do.
Paying customers नहीं आए थे.
Paying
अभी तक,
customers नहीं थे, product market नहीं था, product भी नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था.
और पैसे का प्रेशर आ गया.
पैसे का प्रेशर आ गया. The biggest learning there was also around building on your strengths, knowing what you do really well,
Just do that.
and do that really well. And if you don't know something, get the right knowledge for it, get the right people who can do it for you. And if you want to build a large business, very, very large business, which is what I had then aspired to be, because otherwise I would not have exited Poster Gully. Poster Gully was a money minting machine.
Correct.
I would never have left it. In fact, I know so many people who told me that it was not the right decision at that time, but Rage would not have been there.
Correct.
So as aspiration बहुत बढ़ गए थे. Aspiration ये था कि यार बड़ा धंधा बनाना. And you mentioned, couple of minutes back about having a target like 100 crore number and then working backwards. Maybe it sometimes doesn't work. But for me, that target of 500 crores revenue in 7 years, 5 to 7 years was something that
Pushed you.
that gave me a backward plan. I could actually connect everything and say, कि, for example, choosing the category, understanding the business strategy, go to market वहीं से निकला, margin profile पूरी कंपनी की,
Very important.
सब कुछ वहीं से निकला.
Very important.
For me, it was a very methodological, data-driven approach that I took. But yes, without passion,
I was going to say
it
that.
won't work.
I was going to say that. Correct.
Without passion, it won't work.
Correct.
So lots of learnings, बहुत गलतियां करी उस time पे मैंने before starting Rage. And then after I shut that business down, for a year I took not a break, but I actually said, I'll clear my mind. I want my mind to be a clean slate. And I traveled a lot during that time. And when I was traveling during that time, I just absorbed. I had a book that I used to journal in.
You didn't bring it, no? I told you to bring it.
I forgot that.
उसमें सब कुछ लिखते थे.
So मैं सब लिखता था, journaling करता था about categories, about businesses, and it was not very detailed. I was not writing passages. I was writing things like, for example, this business is the right to win in this categories with this reason. And by the end of that time period, I had a grid.
Spoken to a lot of venture capitalists, right? And we're very blessed and lucky that Nitin helps us. Otherwise, no one would have given us money. I told you that. Didn't deserve it. So luckily, Nitin bhai trusts us and that's how we survived and 100 people in the office. But when I speak to venture capitalists, they really help us take a step back. वो बोलते नहीं मुझे बताओ तू कौन से कैनवस में प्ले कर रहा है इंडस्ट्री बताओ मेरे को एंड एज फाउंडर्स एटलीस्ट आई डिडंट थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दैट अंटिल दे आस्क्ड मी दिस क्वेश्चन वेयर डू यू व्हाट एक्सेस डू यू स्टे इन दीस प्लेयर्स वेयर इज द वाइट स्पेस व्हाई इज योर राइट टू विन ओवर हियर एंड व्हेन यू फर्स्ट हियर दिस एज अ फाउंडर यू आर लाइक आई डोंट लाइक सेकंड ईयर ऑफ रनिंग लर्नर आई डोंट नो I have no clue why we have right to win. And then you start formulating it. That really helped. No, Rage has these investors. what's the advantage of having, or disadvantage, or advantages of having an investor on board? Does it help to take that step back?
It depends on what kind of investors do you have. Do you have pure financial investors? Do you have strategic investors? Or has the investor promised you something at the time they entered the business? I think if that is clear, things are easier because financial investors' roles are quite simple. They're entering the business to at the right time with the funds that they believe would take the company to a certain level, and then they would take the exit. And as the role of a founder or a promoter is to maximize the value for them at the time of exit. That is the fiduciary responsibility of a promoter. And that is also the responsibility of promoters who run large public companies. Shareholder का पैसा बढ़ते रहना चाहिए हमेशा. Simple goal है, multiple layers, but the goal is quite simple.
Correct.
So similarly, I have largely pure financial investors at this stage. My goal is simply to continue to grow the business. There are certain metrics. We know if we reach those metrics, we will be able to give them the desired return on the investment. So that is how we look at it. And having the right investors is also a lot about how you wanted to build the business, because anybody who comes as an external shareholder worth their salt will bring in great amount of corporate governance for the company. And corporate governance is super critical in a company that has large aspirations and dreams.
More so even nowadays.
More so even nowadays, and it should always be the case. And I've learned this over in the last decade or so. It's super critical because there are times when the company will have opportunities of massive growth or great people, but because you're not doing that right, you might miss on that opportunity. So for me, it's quite simple. I don't complicate it more than this.
Nice.
I want to run the business. They have trusted me to run the business.
Bas.
And I should continue to run the business. There is nothing more than that.
Very nice.
उससे ज़्यादा बहुत layers हैं अभी अपना लोग.
No, distraction है, unnecessary है वो. Unnecessary है वो.
And similarly at this stage, investors who want to invest now, the simple rule also for them is that they should enter at the right value, so that they're also able to help the existing shareholders take the right exit and so on and so forth. Then I think most promoters who survive for decades are able to do this really well.
करेक्ट. और कुछ नहीं है यार भरत, देख ये पॉडकास्ट किया, आईपीओ में मेरे को स्पेशल एलोकेशन दे देना अगर कभी प्लान होता है तो, ठीक है ना.
100%.
I have a question here now. I think this is very interesting. इंडिया में कॉफी ड्रिंकर्स 0.00 समथिंग कुछ परसेंट होगा, लाइक 1% तो नहीं होगा. As far as what, correct me if I'm wrong. Coffee drinkers.
Coffee consumption मैं बताता हूँ क्या है. Tea is 10 times the market today.
बहुत फर्क नहीं है फिर तो.
बहुत
ये
गलत
तो कुछ तो बहुत
ये
गलत
per capita का डेटा है. Per capita consumption है.
10x तो is not such a big difference.
Market is 10 times, tea is 10 times, but the CAGR is का फर्क is 50%.
बट इसमें ऑलरेडी लेगेसी प्लेयर्स हैं.
Legacy players है. Correct.
लेगेसी प्लेयर्स हैं तो as a incumbent, right, you're entering, it's new.
Yeah.
But you have the advantage of outside perspective, new, young, branding, all of
Yeah.
that. India's younger,
Yeah.
legacy हो सकता है, legacy है, right? तो वो advantage है, but tough भी है, उनके पास distribution है, brand है, all that. How do you make that fight यार? How does a small entrepreneur think? देख तू तो small ही है compared to the industry, right? Like
sure.
Rage is tiny.
100%.
And I wish कि भाई तू बन जा 50% बन जा. But how do you think as a founder कि मुझे बनना है, and how do you have the balls to do it?
It's not that easy to answer this question by saying that this is the right thing. You've mentioned all of this. We are doing a lot of differentiated things, but taking away market share, you and me cannot beat the macro markets. India's consumption story is changing. And some bold companies like ours will be able to take away some bit of market share away, and some of them will build very large businesses, and some of them have already proven in consumer categories.
Only shelf space does not dictate who wins now, I think. पहले
Only shelf space, ultimately shelf space will dictate who wins.
अच्छा.
But the entire value chain is ready to take that change. The entire value chain, from retailers to distributors to marketplace guys to the consumers. everybody is ready to take that change, to make that change.
I just came back. So Swati and I, my wife, she's also the co-founder. We travel every 3 months, somewhere abroad. We go. That is the way I switch off because the moment I'm in the plane, phone is off. मैं सिम नहीं खरीदता वहाँ जाके, and I'm out. That is the only way. वरना Saturday Sunday तो काम होता है. Like I think every founder के साथ same है. You do not switch off. You do writing. You do something. Vietnam की coffee was freaking crazy.
Yeah.
I loved. I'm not a very crazy coffee drinker.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying this, but I don't have it like every day. And the Vietnam coffee, they put condensed milk in it.
Yes.
The coffee was great, bro.
Yeah.
हम लोग वहाँ पे कुछ दिन तक थे. I had coffee every day. बहुत मजा आया मेरे को. It was genuinely good. One question over here though, coffee का health benefit, is it good, bad कि ऐसी drink है? Over here I noticed you were saying stuff like vitamins and stuff. What is this? मतलब कुछ इसमें कुछ biohacking का angle है क्या?
यार बहुत बड़ा एंगल है.
अच्छा okay.
I'll condense my thoughts.
Sure, आराम से.
Because caffeine in the last 10 years, so many researches, so many studies have been done जो caffeine की importance को और caffeine के value add को they have been able to clearly identify. So caffeine is probably the only legal stimulant that you have. It's a stimulant.
Thought of it like that.
And it is known to increase your energy, improve your focus. There's something called as the adenosine receptors. It blocks it. It helps you keep awake for a little bit more. And in the last 10 years more, because in the studies that were done pre-2000s or in the early 2000s, they were sometimes had misconception about coffee. A lot of those studies have been quashed now with the recent studies. In fact, I don't know if you follow, but because I tell many people about it, but बहुत लोगों ने सुना ही नहीं है. This the guy called Andrew Huberman.
I think
Right. Everybody who's on YouTube must have seen Huberman podcast. And Huberman, I think 2 days back, he released again something on caffeine, which talks about the caffeine also improving the vitality of the cell repair in the body. So and other things as well. So caffeine is known for certain, it is a stimulant for sure, and it can help in several ways. For example, for your heart as well. और ये proper studies हैं. The only thing, and I don't want to deep dive into this too much, but I can if you want. But there are 1 or 2 studies which have linked it with sometimes anxiety or something. But that's also because some people are caffeine intolerant.
And they've not identified
They
that
have not
yet.
identified that yet. So, for example, if your heart rate increases to a certain extent, thoda bahut to hoega hi caffeine ke baad, which is good. That's what it gives you the energy, and that's why you're able to use it as a pre-workout drink.
Correct. Okay, this is something I'm going to definitely read about. Yeah, there's one problem in your business, which every business has actually. Manufacturing, FMCG का एक fundamental problem है. Problem नहीं है, it's the nature of the business actually. I shouldn't say problem. You have to come up with constant product lines quickly. मतलब you cannot stay with the same product line for like 5 years. You have to constantly innovate. This is the challenge, right? Like constantly coming up with something new. Do you see them as experiments? Do you see them as यार ये तो every quarter करना है? सोचते कैसे उसके बारे में?
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. FMCG में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. You mentioned 3-4 things. One was manufacturing. That's for even one product. Manufacturing can either be in-house or outsourced, or right. So manufacturing is not only to do with, let's say, I want to continue to innovate. Innovation is about R&D. It is not about manufacturing. R&D is a lot to do with the idea of who and what your brand is and who your consumer is and what they are wanting. You cannot build for yourself. आज मेरे को मन है कुछ नई कॉफी ड्रिंक बनाने का, कंज्यूमर को नहीं चाहिए और मेरी कंपनी के बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी में वो अलाइन नहीं होता, then it will do a lot more damage to the company. First of all, every great consumer company is built on the back of one single great product. It's called the hero
product.
Every large FMCG business even consolidated together, like a Levers or even large
ITC still cigarettes.
PNG, right? they and even the brands within those are single brand products.
Yes.
Right. I have always believed that SKU or item proliferation and item cannibalization are one of the major reasons of why companies get killed early on.
Because they spread too thin.
They spread too thin, too wide.
Love it. Because they think I'm also a lever.
Yes.
You're not a lever.
Or and even with the other, मतलब मेरे को क्या लगता है यार प्रतीक के, if I'm able to build one single brand
हाँ.
in this lifetime,
हट सकता है ना. अच्छा हाँ.
in this lifetime, if I'm able to build one single brand
job is done.
worth their salt, worth its salt, I am done. और वो क्या है ना, वो हर घर में होना चाहिए, वर्ल्ड में, इंडिया में नहीं सिर्फ. So it's a constant effort.
The Windows 95. Love it.
If you look at, I don't want to take too many names, but I'll take global names.
ठीक
You
है,
know,
हाँ.
Heinz हो गया, for example, Nutella हो गया, Tabasco, run by a family, Lotus Biscuit.
People think that मतलब वो सर्फ वाला चीज है कि डिटर्जेंट नहीं सर्फ सॉस चिली सॉस नहीं टबास्को or some variant of
Right.
that. That's crazy.
And there are so many examples. One thing you keep doing for years and years and hammer it
Not
down,
easy.
and distribution should be there. And even if you really look at it, Nike is a great example. And so many other companies in the technology and the brand space. So I have a similar ideology. Getting more products out is not the reason why you will do better. That's a very short-term mindset. That's people who are trying to replicate on other people's success. अब मैं बताता हूँ हमारे बारे में. 80% of my revenue comes from 5 SKUs. Only 5 items.
उसका एग्जांपल दो.
SKUs is basically items मान लो आप.
हाँ आइटम्स.
Different items, flavor हो गया उसमें, अलग grammage हो गया, so on so forth.
जैसे लेज का क्लासिक होगा और एक और होगा वैसे आप
स्टॉक कीपिंग यूनिट बोलते हैं. तो वो मतलब हाँ, तो 10 ग्राम है, 100 ग्राम है, 50 ग्राम है. A large business in apparels, for example, is unattractive, even at a scale where, like they're doing very well, is unattractive to a lot of investors, for example, I would say, and also for themselves, is because they have to maintain inventory of hundreds and hundreds of SKUs.
हाँ.
It's blocks of working capital.
Especially fast fashion, right? Because it's going
That
out.
is why companies that can crack supply chain in fashion are the ones who eventually survive. And then if you survive long enough, you win. So on and so forth. So in FMCG, if you have 1,500 products and if you're सारे दुनिया के चिप्स बना लेंगे कोई तो चल जाएगा, बहुत लोगों का माइंडसेट है. इनफैक्ट मैं बोलूँगा सबका यही माइंडसेट है. वेरी फ्यू कंपनीज एंड ब्रांड्स आर एबल टू से no, we won't do this, we won't do that. I've been very fortunate with my investors who continuously tell me, Bharat, don't do too much. Don't do too much. Let's just stick with what we have and crack that.
Focus is tough.
Focus is tough.
Focus is tough.
Focus is so
And
tough.
that's your superpower. It could be.
It could be.
Yeah.
It could be. It's something that we're learning as we're growing. But I am very clear. For the first year, the entire business had one product. My biggest learning from Poster Gully was that Poster Gully could have been a much larger business if we had managed our working capital, and if we had also managed the inventory. We wanted to please everyone. We wanted to create something for everyone, but that doesn't lead to a great business overall. Kids के लिए भी बना दो, 18-year-olds के लिए भी बना दो, 30-year-olds के लिए भी बना दो, कुछ तो बिक जाएगा. वो कुछ बिकने में you become a trader or a commoditized business.
Not serving anyone.
Not serving anyone, serving someone, but the value in any consumer business, in fact, today I would say the value in anything that anyone does, even in a SaaS business, in a B2B business, is about the brand. The brand carries the weight eventually, and the brand can do wonders. after a certain inflection point.
We're talking about brand. We have Virat Kohli right here over here. Not here, but like over here. So how did that work out? I read that he's an investor. मुझे सच्ची सच्ची बता. Did he put in money? Was it ad for this thing? How does that work? Like how does Virat Kohli become an investor in a startup? Like how does that work?
Yeah. So when I was thinking about building long-term defensibilities in the business, and this is 2 years back.
Moats. Huh.
Large moats, because ultimately the only moat there is in any business is the brand.
I totally agree.
In any business.
Yeah. Customer loyalty, love is what matters. They fan-led business banao.
Fan-led business, right? And there the brand is something where if you have an option to choose from 10 different, commodities or 10 different items, your subconscious will always go for something that you have seen before. Somebody has told you before. Your subconscious will always draw you towards the brand. And brand is obviously it's a elusive, very, very difficult thing to crack. The X factor, as we call it. Why people buy Nike, people don't know why they buy Nike. Like they love Nike or Apple for that matter.
Sometimes Skechers, but huh.
Skechers is utility.
It is. It totally
Right.
is.
So Skechers is very different. Skechers is people are going there for comfort.
मुझे एड़ी में दर्द होता है मैं इसलिए खरीदा है.
Correct. Clear है. Skechers में जाता हूँ मुझे comfort चाहिए.
Correct.
And similarly for so many other brands, if we talk about a footwear, Nike is Nike. We don't know why. मुझे नहीं पता मुझे Nike क्यों पसंद है.
Just buy it. Sorry, just do it.
So that is the bigger
First to
theme.
mind करना है consumer की mind में for coffee. So Virat is part of that vision.
So we have a theme, right? Who are we? First of all, we have to understand who are we. We are revolutionaries in the category. We came from nowhere. We had no prior experience in the category. We are fearless because we have taken steps in the business, and it's also the DNA of the company कि यार ऐसी चीजें करनी है जो पहले नहीं हुई और गलती होएगी तो ठीक है. We will learn. And ये ब्रांड की पर्सनालिटी है. ठीक है. तो आइडिया क्या था? सिंपल था. And we are also people who want to continuously be better, like us also. When we're building great products, we want to be better than we were yesterday.
Relentless.
And we want to be at it. So, and ज़रूरी क्या है? पर्सनालिटी ज़रूरी होती है ब्रांड के लिए, बिकॉज एज आई मेंशन क्लटर से ब्रेक करने के लिए यू नीड द ऑडियंस टू
एसोसिएशन
इंपॉर्टेंट है.
राइट.
तो जब हम सोच रहे थे इसके बारे में, वी हैड 2-3 नेम्स एंड आई डिसाइडेड एट दैट टाइम, दिस इज 2 years बैक, इफ इट इज विराट कोहली और नो वन. ये मेरे को क्लियर था कि इट इज विराट और नो वन, बिकॉज आई हैड स्पोकन टू एवरीवन, मतलब बिलो विराट.
श्योर.
तो मजा नहीं आ रहा था. तो एंड वो करना भी नहीं था, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो वेयर यू विल गो इवेंचुअली. तो if the idea is to become a great, and the idea is to chase greatness with the brand as well, why not partner with somebody who's already proven it? So यार ये था प्लान. उसके बाद ग्राइंड थी एज यूजुअल. वो ही हमारा दिन भर का काम है. मेल लिखने शुरू किए, एजेंसी को मेल लिखा.
It is not as simple as calling and being like,
oh, how is it possible?
बताओ ना यही तो जानना है.
Possibly नहीं ना, because first of all, यार Virat first of all doesn't do food products.
Okay.
He has rejected so many deals saying I will not sponsor X company because I don't associate with it.
Right.
The first goal was to get him to try the products.
So you were writing emails to managers.
I wrote 1 or 2 emails, and then we got a meeting with somebody there, and then there was a long silence, and then we got another meeting, and then there was a long silence.
And what was the conversation? Talking about the vision, or why this is not like, why this is a good product?
So both. Where do we want to go? Because it was an equity deal largely. So if Virat is coming as a shareholder in the business, he has to be convinced himself. His team has to be convinced about the product and the team. There are no chances with somebody like him. You cannot take chances.
He can't take chances.
He can't
with
take
his
chances.
reputation.
He has a reputation. So that's what happened, and it was a long 1-year discussion of sorts, on and off. But he's also supremely occupied, obviously, and he was going through some changes at that time. Left the captaincy and so on. it took more time than I imagined, but then once we were convinced and we shook hands on something, his team was very fast and everything went on. We completed the entire shareholders agreement and everything in
Did he put
2
in money?
months.
Did he put in money, or
Yes.
was it he put in
Yes.
money?
Yes.
He put in cash.
Yes.
Dude, that's amazing, man. Give me, like, fuck. Oh, very fast. Oh, he put in money. And
And he's come as a brand ambassador.
वो separate agreement है.
वो
एक ही है, same ही है.
वो सेपरेट एग्रीमेंट, वो एक फैसिलिटेशन एग्रीमेंट है, एक एंगेजमेंट एग्रीमेंट है.
इसमें कुछ like end time होता है कि बस इतने साल के लिए यूज कर सकते हो,
हाँ,
या कुछ
बिल्कुल
ऐसा. अच्छा, होता है. There's an end term to it.
Yes, obviously.
Got it. Interesting. Is it very complicated to be like हम यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं, hoarding में नहीं डाल सकते? ऐसा, is it very detailed?
It depends on your on the association. There is a cost to everything.
Is it? So अगर air करना है तो उसका अलग cost है. Is it
It
like that?
depends. No, it depends. It depends on the negotiation. It depends on the interest and the category block for the celebrity. It depends on their times and what you're paying them. It all depends. And if Virat would have done a very different kind of, his team would have done a very different kind of an arrangement if he was not coming on as an equity shareholder in the business.
Exactly. So he believes in it, na?
He believes in it and he wants to, and they have, I mean, I cannot go and talk more about the team there and there,
Sure.
and their swiftness with everything now. So I've great relationships with all of them.
How
now,
is he
which
as a
great.
person? How is Virat as a person?
Yeah, I think he's very ultra focused. Even when you meet him, he's very focused, clear, concise, to the point. And he has his inner circle. His inner circle is crucial to him.
At
So-
work and at like
Yes,
personal
yes,
level.
yes. And I think he's in Zen mode right now in life. He's just achieved greatness already. And for somebody like him, it is to continue being great at what he does, which is not easy.
Tell me about one of the biggest problems with B2C is like CAC, right? They keep talking about it in rooms, right? The cost of acquisition kya hai? Do you spend time on it? What do you do? Do you measure CAC a lot? Is it high? Like, of course it's high. It's always high. But like, how do you what do you think about it? Or the same things you told me before? You just keep going and it takes care of itself जब brand establish हो जाता
बहुत difficult सवाल है
ना?
क्योंकि in any digital business, I don't like to complicate anything because I come from fundamentals. कोई चीज़ है, आपको उसे ऑनलाइन बेचने के लिए you will have to find customers. मतलब you'll need people to click on something, to come to your website, to come to your store, and then you have to convince them enough to buy that product. Now, in the entire value chain here, in the entire this flow, getting people to come to your website is always difficult. It has always been difficult. I have seen it in the last 12 years up close, running ads myself, doing organic marketing myself, creating content myself. That getting people in an online business to come and buy your products from your website.
Tough.
From your website. Marketplaces is a very different ball game. Although it is still very different from, let's say, doing sales offline. But
Where it's equally tough to get people to enter your physical store also. मतलब it's not
Exactly.
easy. It's not How is it different?
It's
मुश्किल है.
मुश्किल है और यही गेम है. And that is where the brand comes and plays the biggest role.
I trust them. गड़बड़ नहीं होगी यहाँ पे.
Huh. And that is why acquisition is something that has been played out by the social media guys. There is this platform and this platform will drive acquisition. And then slowly as a brand, they will very carefully control your reach to your audience. जैसे Facebook जब शुरू हुआ, followers लेके आओ. Sorry, likes.
Likes लाओ page को.
Page को likes लाओ. Likes लाखों रुपए, करोड़ों रुपए लगा दिए लोगों ने.
किए थे, मैंने भी किया था. डालते थे, likes आते थे. फिर
Overnight, they reduced the reach of a page to 0.some%.
I remember that.
Right?
Post जहाँ में 2 like आ रहा है, 1 like आ रहा है.
Correct. Overnight. It was like an overnight shift.
Market scientist होता था हमारा. Same thing.
Correct. क्या हुआ? तो उस टाइम पे भी सेम चीज़ हुई थी जो अभी कैक में हो रही है लोगों को iOS 14 के बाद. I think the goal is quite simple: agility, flexibility. The age of digital marketing, acquisition online, building stuff online is very very fresh. कुछ भी स्टैंडर्डाइज नहीं है अभी वहाँ पे. और चला कौन रहे हैं? 2-3 बड़ी कंपनीज चला रही हैं. इनफैक्ट 2 कंपनीज चला रही हैं. ठीक है. उन दोनों कंपनीज का बेनिफिट है एट ऑल टाइम्स. एंड आई एम श्योर people watching this will not like me for saying this. Founders will like it because I know the challenges they face. But those companies, they mint money. They're the only ones who continue to win. You know, the founders have to realize that there are multiple other ways, innovative ways to acquire new customers.
Let's say build trust.
Build trust. Absolutely. Having said that, you cannot beat the macros. Macros मतलब अगर उन दोनों कंपनीज को यूज करके बनने प्रोडक्ट्स और बनने ब्रांड्स तो बनने पड़ेंगे, नो डाउट. So I think it's the balance, it's the mix and match that you need to do. The changes will continue to happen. Now, for example, something else will come up, which nobody has seen before, or some new trend will come up. Just for example, Reels came up, or short format video content came up. So many brands are utilizing it to their advantage today. And I know brands that are doing it really, really well on YouTube and on Instagram, for example.
Correct.
So the founder's job, the promoter's job, the leader's job is to know how to maximize the return on their spends at all times. If you want to build an online business, and similarly for an offline business. Although in offline, the investments upfront are sometimes bigger. जैसे यहाँ तो क्या छोटा छोटा पैसा जाएगा, कुछ आएगा नहीं आएगा, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है. Offline में the investments sometimes are upfront, huge, the risks are quite large, and it's the space is always less.
Yeah.
If you want to go to a top mall in the country, I mean, they will not entertain you today.
जो आपने बोला ना, totally right. So we spend a lot of time reading like company reports because we are analyzing public companies. तो उसमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ था परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग पे पब्लिक कंपनी के मैसेज पे. उस पे क्या था कि a company like Lever or any of these larger companies, इनका ROAS जो है, which is for the people, return on ad spend, is 9 or 11 or up to even 12. But another company like I'll talk about, say Mama Earth, is much, much lower. And the reason is not because इनका budget कम है. It's because they have more brand equity, which means more trust. So that's what we really want at the end, right? I think sometimes founders get a little jaded by performance का budget बढ़ा दो, sales बढ़ेगा. But actually without a brand equity pool growing, this will dry up very quickly. I mean, we realized this last year. But this is true, right?
This is 100% true. And there are two things to this. Number one is that it is relevant in every channel you go. The brand pull, the organic brand pull without somebody pushing it, shoving it down someone's throat is the core reason why something would win.
Yeah.
That's the one big reason. The second thing is patience and time. Companies that have been around for years, decades, right? You cannot disrupt them overnight. You can disrupt them or challenge them over a period of time by building relevance continuously, regularly. But you cannot be like, यार जो उन्होंने 100 साल किए लगाने में, आज मैं 2 साल में 5 साल में completely change कर दूंगा landscape को. That in most cases would not happen. They have very smart people building their businesses. They have the capital, they have the equity, they have the required know-how,
focus,
knowledge, and they have outsourced growth to us, or they've outsourced innovation to us rather.
Innovation to us.
They've
correct.
outsourced innovation to us. I was talking to you about the point of entry and the time of exit and why is it important for even promoters and founders. The average lifespan of a company has continuously gone down. If you look at in the last 100 years, there were companies that took far more time in achieving revenues that companies do today in a matter of months sometimes. and it takes far less time to go bust as well than it happened with companies pehle. So yeah, I think that is again the macro setting. That will not change. Promoters should know exactly what they're in for, what is their aspiration, and that aspiration should match with उन what they're building. अगर मेरे को 1,000 crore की कंपनी बनानी है, ऐसा दिमाग में है मेरे. For example, somebody is thinking, I want to build a large business, I want to achieve greatness, and I want to own 50% of the business when it is large. Then have patience. Without patience, you cannot do that.
ब्रांड बोला ना तुमने, इसमें पता है इंटरेस्टिंग क्या, आई हैव सीन दिस टाइम एंड टाइम अगेन. पीपल अप्रोच ब्रांड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट वेज. some are really design centric, some are really like they make great stories and ads and tell good stories. Some just do products like Google, right? Google doesn't tell story, they just make products. But all of them have something similar. They will track their consumer ka pura journey and they will try to insert their brand at all those spots, right? So when I'm in a concert, maybe I see Spotify over there, so I associate good music with Spotify, etc, etc. Twitter, when they started off, abhi to Twitter बहुत बदल गया है, but when they started off, they would have Twitter inside these stadiums and you would walk inside and you would see कि tweet about.
Yeah.
So they tried to, the brand would change not only online, physically भी दिखता था. ये इंटरेस्टिंग है, फिजिकली दिखता था. तो बीरा एक एग्जाम्पल है.
Yeah.
बीरा के टैप रूम्स हैं.
Yeah.
तो will we see, and you're so hot on brand, right? So will we see like a rage room? ऐसा होगा क्या?
Yeah, why not? I think
Rage cafe.
Rage cafes, and is something that we've been toying with the idea of this for a while now. But ultimately, again, coming back to authenticity and staying true to our core, we are a packaged coffee business, and we want to create great products which can be consumed at home. And also, we are a backbone supplier to almost 1,500 restaurants, cafes, hotels today, and that is growing at a rapid pace. We continue to be partners with many of the cafes that you would go to, for example, many of the ice cream chains that you eat your ice cream from, or many of the hotels where you're drinking your morning breakfast coffee. We're already supplying to those people, and we continue to build trust with them. So my idea is that, and where I see the licensing bit of Rage is something that we're doing already. The brand pull comes into picture again.
Correct.
The brand should be so strong and is something that is able to captivate audiences to go and buy coffee from a place, or and eat a savory item with it, because it's a Rage cafe, not because Rage is operating it, but it's the trust that Rage is able to build with the consumer there. In fact, if you see globally, there are no Nutella cafes, or there are no Heinz sandwiches.
That's true. I've seen it in like ice cream joints, like Haagen-Dazs would have like a Nutella.
Correct.
But okay, ठीक है.
Correct. Similar thinking. We have very similar.
नहीं करना.
करना है.
अभी नहीं लगता करना चाहिए.
We are already doing it. We're already licensing
So
the
you say-
brand.
okay, now I get it. So if you're already there, why do you want
We are
to?
already licensing the brand to
And what
open
asset
cafes.
High cafe, asset
High street cafe.
High street. अच्छा.
And it's not our DNA. So we're always willing to partner with people who have that muscle in them.
That's a very nice answer. That's not our DNA. That's the reason. Not because asset heavy है, economics don't fit. It's more to do with the philosophy कि यार वो DNA ही नहीं है, क्यों करना है वो?
और करना है अपनी ट्रीटमेंट के साथ करना है. With our own masala.
How does your week look like? Are you working every weekend? Off कैसे लेते हो? When do you switch off? Do you switch off?
सोचता नहीं यार इतना. I don't think about it because one thing that I've realized is I have a routine which I love to follow, and it depends on, sometimes on the weekends, for example, it depends on where I'm placed, how I'm placed. One thing is for sure, that work is my number one priority in life. Health and work, both. Health, work, family, in no particular order. It depends on the days.
And mood.
And mood. But yes, I feel like there is a routine which is very strict, which is something that I honor on most days. And I don't believe in taking one now, and I've made those mistakes, taking one long break and then working like,
Marathon
mad.
है ना वो.
So every day is something where I will need to plug out a little bit, spend time, and I want to do things, and I want to spend maximum amount of my time in doing impactful stuff for the business. And impactful stuff doesn't mean that I will not go to talk to my admin guy and share, a cup of coffee with him, for example. Or it will not mean that I will not speak to my finance team about petty cash, right? I'll go and do all of that. So for me, waking up early is critical. Making sure that I give at least 1 hour to health, and I'm a super geeky when it comes to biohacking. So I take a lot of supplements and I continue to experiment with those supplements and I document it also.
Very scientific approach.
A very scientific approach to that as well. And then I would spend time with the family, and then I will start working early with my team. I do not take any meetings in my power hours, which is between 12 and 3. I need time to work on things that are going to move the needle. My meetings are very short, to the point, quick. I meet almost all my leaders every day.
Nice.
I'll sit with them, even if it's for 10 minutes.
Very nice.
I'll sit with them. I'll have a call with them if I'm traveling. Just, yeah, I believe that I don't want to be only a great leader now. I also want to be a great manager. But I also don't think that I want to be a great manager only. So leadership and management for our stage and scale is critical. मैं एक ऐसा बन के नहीं बैठ सकता गुरु कंपनी में कि this is what our big vision is. Let's just all align. That's not something I can do. This is the vision. This is the path to achieve this vision. But this is what we need to achieve today. Let's get to that.
I was going through your LinkedIn, obviously. And I went down, मैंने बोला यार ये तो he's invested in many companies. So how did that happen? एक तो I thought founders are underpaid. I'm guessing this is the profits from Poster Gully that you're reusing, right? To invest in all these companies. If yes, just say a quick yes. My question is, what do you look for in a company and say यार अच्छा है, because in सब में एक I think drinks वाली company थी, I forgot the name. Jimmy's Cocktails.
Jimmy's.
तो उनका भी डिज़ाइन बहुत अच्छा है. तो does design matter, brand thinking? Of course, right? Like, is that a big part of... How does a person watching this get you as an investor? How does that work?
Okay, पैसा कहाँ से आता है?
हाँ, पैसा कहाँ से आता है वो बताओ.
यार मैंने ना बहुत I was very young when I started making a lot of money. I told you. I think I've discussed that with you. And I was making more in half a month that my people, my age group would only make that kind of money if they were in the US, doing a job in the US. वो भी डॉलर में कमा रहे थे वो तो इसलिए. Or they would make that kind of money in a year or sorts. तो मैंने उस टाइम पे savings करी. I invested the money, some of the money in real estate, some of the money in mutual funds, long-term investments kari. I got into, although I've not realized a lot of these investments yet.
Good.
But I realized one thing, mera simple rule, again, I don't like to complicate stuff. My simple rule was, I will keep 20%, I will invest 80%, and then if I hit a certain milestone with cash, I'll start doing that repeatedly. So if I have a certain cash in hand, I'll start putting that in some sort of an asset. I am not a believer of FDs at all.
Great.
High risk, medium risk to high risk investments. Some of them are also illiquid, so that's okay. But तो यार ये मेरा thinking रहा है हमेशा. I read this quote from Rockefeller, which said, if you work all day, when will you have time to make money? And that stuck with me. And that's when I realized, and this is long back, it stuck with me, but which is, I need to, my money should work for me even when I'm not working. And आजकल तो बहुत ज्ञान fake gurus हुए, passive, everything is passive suddenly.
Passive income.
कोई
काम नहीं करना है लेकिन passive चाहिए.
हाँ, तो वो possible नहीं है. You make money to invest. First of all, you need to make that kind of money to invest. तो यार आइडिया ये रहा है हमेशा कि सेविंग्स माइंडसेट ही नहीं है.
put money to work outside into the world. It'll come back
Deploy,
if it has
keep
to.
deploying. Just keep deploying or invest in activities or things that I value, which makes my life simpler, which gives me more time to work on things that will make more money. So I like to automate every time. Everything, जितना automate हो सके मेरी life उतना मेरे लिए better है. For example, even family life. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो automate कर दो अगर तो better है. For example, घर का staff है जैसे, तो जो लोग वो staff से काम नहीं चाहते वो, but I will upskill them. I'll tell them, take more money, ये skill सीख लो. अगर somebody's coming for let's say X work, I will give the opportunity for them to make more money, but do Y also. Because you make more money, incremental gains to you, you are getting upskilled. चलता कम है ये with sometimes with a lot of blue collar stuff. But my point is कि ये एक तरीका है जिसमें मैं believe करता हूँ, because my life is all about this. Where I've believed in some people, they have given me back, I've given them, and it's become a relationship which everybody values. So that's what I have done, yaar. And पैसा investments के लिए I have committed most of my salary that I make to invest
From Rage.
from Rage. So I would invest most of that, and I would also then use some of the money that I have to, from earlier investments and so on and so forth.
Exits तो नहीं हुए होंगे अभी तक तो किसी में.
Yeah, exit opportunities keep coming, but
Acha, okay.
again, my idea is very simple. My idea is very simple that with some of the other investments that I've done, the idea is to let them compound. Every goal, everything in life, for me personally, and I know myself, किसी के लिए कुछ shortcuts भी चल सकते हैं, is every big financial delta that would come in anyone's life and for my life, and in most people would be through compounding.
Yeah.
So let things compound, and by the grace of God, they should keep compounding, and it should build generational wealth. I should never be even have this thing to look at that money.
And how do you select these investments? Is it mostly founder driven?
So with my angel investments here, it's not just the founders. Sometimes I've met great founders, but they are not in the right market, or they're not at the right stage of their business. What do I look at? First of all, I look at somebody getting to me.
Reaching you.
Getting to me, yes, reaching.
Interesting.
Somebody-
Someone has to have that hustle to get to you.
If they can continuously reach me, and if they can, and because LinkedIn every day I would get, a lot of people hound. Somebody would get my WhatsApp. They would get me, send texts and so on. But I feel like अगर 5 lines में कोई लिख देता है मुझे कि यार why is you are investable at this stage, that's my
तो clarity and grit हो गए दो
clarity
filters.
and grit, 2 filters हैं
मस्त.
with founders, because यार मैंने बहुत angel investment cold email से ही उठाया है.
हाँ ऐसे ही होता है.
So मैंने cold emails कर करके, and I know people who have done that with me, so I know how they were thinking.
Yeah.
So
तो spam करना शुरू नहीं.
तो यार ये है. बाकी उसके बाद it's all about the founder, nothing more, nothing less.
Simple funda.
सिंपल फंडा, फाउंडर्स के साथ मिलके उनकी क्लैरिटी और उनकी वो एक एक्स फैक्टर होता है फाउंडर्स में कुछ, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर मार्केट फिट होता है. दिस पर्सन इज अ ग्रेट एंटरप्रेन्योर बट दे आर नॉट इन द राइट मार्केट. आई टेल देम. देयर हैव बीन पीपल हु आई मीट फॉर इंटरव्यूज, ग्रेट पीपल, आई वुड हायर देम एनी डे, बट आई टेल देम स्टार्ट योर ओन, गो एंड स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस. और मेरे सामने एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जो 2-3 अच्छा सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज बन चुकी हैं ऑलरेडी.
Very nice.
जिनको मैंने इंटरव्यू में बोला था यार डोंट गो फॉर अनदर इंटरव्यू,
You go start your business.
go and start your own business. And even otherwise यार, मतलब I think I have nothing to gain sometimes other than just telling you the truth. But I have a very soft corner for entrepreneurs. I will, even if I see something blaringly wrong, I will never say अरे यार क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है. Some people do that in the country and I hate it because it's also getting popularized doing it. Because that's that's their right to win. Because even Rakhi Sawant gets noticed, you know. So getting noticed is today making money. But a lot of founders are getting misled. Young founders are misled because of that. So यार, I think ड्रामा से दूर फाउंडर को अगर genuinely help करना है ना, spend time with them. If you're not able to spend time with them, do not demotivate them. वो जो कर रहे हैं ना, वो जंगे लड़ रहे हैं वैसे भी.
Correct. And
वो जंग लड़के वहां पहुंचे तेरे सामने.
correct.
Fucking respect it.
Yeah.
If you cannot respect that thing, please carry a resume with you of what you have done in life.
He's already had sleepless nights. The other entrepreneur, right? Like everyone
Yes.
else. You know, we launched this business program where people would launch their own store online and they start selling t-shirts. And there's this lady who launched it during the program. And the way that they graduate, they have to get their first 5 sales. And she launched it, manufacture hua. The first sale was from an unknown person in Orissa. Zyada nahi hai, it's just one sale, right? It's just one sale. But that one sale, we all went to every single person in the office and said, यार हमने जो प्रोग्राम बनाया था ना, उस लेडी का ना एक सेल फर्स्ट हुआ है, हमारा इसमें कुछ योगदान था. That was unbelievable. And she came online, told us the entire story कि वो एक सेल कैसे हुआ 2,000 रुपए का. And I think that's what it is, right? Now, is she able to continue that grittiness for the next 10 years? I mean, that no school can teach you. That is the person. And
क्या है ना यार, आजकल ना प्रतीक, you're doing a great job on what you're doing. As I've known you and the product more over the last couple of days, I think it is needed, first of all. That's the most important thing, that somebody is doing it with some of the other people like we spoke about.
Sure.
But I see there is a massive amount of misinformation outside. And most founders who want to start their business today want to start not because they want to contribute or create a product or build something of value, but because they feel like fundraising and raising capital is a mark of success, and without that validation, businesses cannot be run.
correct.
So I feel like, and there's also it's a lot to do with today. Hey, I'm a founder. If you're a founder without the right reasons, sometimes you will do disservice to your skills. If you're a great artist, you'd rather go and work for an interior design company or an arts company and actually learn the skills
And impact more people like
and
that,
impact
right?
more people.
Yeah, correct.
So I feel like, but that's okay, because I think we, as a nation, as a country, we're also going through that complete metamorphosis from job chahiye to saying nahi yaar khud ka bhi kar sakte hain, which is also great.
Yeah.
So but if this barrage of misinformation continues on social media, I think वो reasons ना change होते रहेंगे लोगों के startup करने के. So, but I am still thinking that it is still better than we were 5 years back and 2 years and 3 years back. तो ये अगर ये चलता रहा, there will be great companies.
Misinformation का ही तो fight है हमारा. Like I think this, because of all the fake gurus out there, तभी तो there is a need for us to be there. वरना there would be no need. And in stock markets, it's even worse.
Oh,
right?
man, it's bad.
It's so bad. We'll double your money. We'll triple your money. What are you? And that's how they sell courses. It's so bad.
Yeah. Social media should be regulated.
Yeah.
And I totally believe in it today. And I will vouch for it that if it is regulated the right way, not government regulations, if a body actually is able to regulate it like advertisements are regulated offline. For example, if you want to run ad on national television,
Yes.
if you want to run ads on cinema or ATL, you need a proper body, and there is anybody selling everything, and I'm a part of that entire system.
And there is cost of repercussion.
I always went to every creator from day zero. Influencers, creators, so on and so forth. मैं जब भी उनके पास जाता था, अभी भी जाता हूँ, आपके लिए मैं लेके आया प्रोडक्ट्स. मैं आपको नहीं बोलूँगा कि पोस्ट करो, 4 लोगों को बताओ, जाके 10 लोगों को बताओ. Similarly, I've still today sent 5 to 6 boxes out every day. Average of 5 मान लो. Every day I'll send out 5 boxes to somebody. कि यार ये this is handwritten note from me or this is a handwritten
Check it out.
sign. Check it out. If you like it, you will automatically tell 5 people, and then some of them will also post it online. Even with Virat, yaar. Even with Run Vijay, Run was actually our first external investor.
Oh, I did not know this.
So Run was the first external investor.
Oh, interesting. He
And-
put in money.
And he put in money. He put in money, and he came in a time when we were zero. Like we were at literally 1 lakh rupees a month.
Really?
Yes.
यार ये तो
very
क्या
early.
हसल है यार.
और कुछ नहीं किया था, सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट भेजे थे और बोला था इफ यू लाइक इट चेक इट आउट. हाँ, ये हसल है कि पहुंचना कैसे है वहां तक.
Of course.
तो वो हसल है.
But he also appreciates ना यहाँ तक पहुँच गया.
सबका ही है. Everybody is open.
पहुँच जा.
Everybody is open if you can reach them. If you have,
That's the filter.
that's the filter. If you have the tenacity and if you have the grit and the salesmanship to reach somebody, they are willing to hear you. If not them, somebody else will.
You are proof for that.
Most of my angel investments that were in Rage were all cold emails.
Dude, all of the people taught who teach on Learn app. We sat outside, talked to them, showed them PPTs, website bhi nahi hota tha. Same story, right? Ki please aa jao, we will impact people. And they did it. They had no reason to do it. And I think, they had no reason to do it, man. This was nice, man. Thank you so much. I think I
Pleasure.
learned a lot.
Absolutely my pleasure. I learned a lot as
And
well.
I would love you to teach also on this is slight plug. आप कुछ सिखा दो please हमारे students को at some time. But we'll figure that part out. But love the coffee, and he brought us free coffee in the office also, so everyone will get it. Thank you so much for doing that.
You have a lot of Ragers in the office, which is fantastic again.
Yeah, we do actually. But thank you so much, dude. This is
Pleasure,
nice.
bro. Pleasure. Absolutely.